Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about a common struggle that affects many of us, procrastination. Whether it's putting off work assignments or delaying personal projects, procrastination can be a major roadblock to achieving our goals. But don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll be sharing tips and strategies for overcoming procrastination and getting things done. So let's dive in. First, let's define what procrastination is. Procrastination is the act of delaying or postponing tasks or actions, usually until the last minute. It's a habit that can be hard to break, but it's not impossible. Procrastination can be caused by many factors, such as fear of failure, lack of motivation, or feeling overwhelmed. However, by understanding the root causes of procrastination, we can develop strategies to overcome it. Step 1. Set clear goals. One of the main reasons people procrastinate is because they lack clear goals. Without clear goals, it's hard to know what to focus on and what steps to take. That's why it's important to set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. When setting goals, make sure they are realistic and achievable, and break them down into smaller, manageable tasks. This will help you stay focused and motivated. Step 2. Manage your time effectively. Time management is another key factor in overcoming procrastination. It's important to prioritize your tasks and allocate your time accordingly. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, and reminders to help you stay on track. Set specific deadlines for each task and hold yourself accountable. Avoid multitasking, as it can be counterproductive and lead to distractions. Step 3. Address the root causes. As we mentioned earlier, procrastination can be caused by a variety of factors. It's important to identify the root causes of your procrastination and address them. For example, if you're procrastinating because you're feeling overwhelmed, break the task down into smaller, more manageable parts. If you're procrastinating because you're afraid of failure, reframe your mindset and focus on the learning experience rather than the outcome. Step 4. Use positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement can be a powerful tool in overcoming procrastination. Celebrate your progress and reward yourself when you achieve your goals. This will help reinforce positive habits and motivate you to keep going. Step 5. Stay accountable. Finally, it's important to stay accountable to yourself and others. Share your goals with a friend or family member who can provide support and encouragement. Use tools like accountability apps or join an accountability group to help you stay on track. In conclusion, procrastination can be a major obstacle to achieving our goals, but it's not insurmountable. By setting clear goals, managing our time effectively, addressing the root causes of our procrastination using positive reinforcement, and staying accountable, we can overcome procrastination and get things done. So go ahead and take that first step towards your goals.
If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.